one.
Kumaga, mag-reset yung utak.
Oo. That every time you shoot that ball, you know it's gonna go in, or you feel like it's gonna go in. Jeff Chan, 4 points now coming into the third.
Turning point tong middle rack talaga because if you really want to pad the lead or catch up, dito ka dapat makabawi-bawi sa gitnang rack.
And that's the midway mark. You want to be able to get some momentum going into the final 2 racks.
7, 8.
And one other thing, Jiggy, makikita natin dito sa advantage sa mga 3-point shooters, hindi masyadong palobo yung tira.
Oo.
Because it takes a lot more time for the ball to fall into the hoop kung palobo yung tira mo.
At mawawala din yung rhythm mo because kahit pa paano you want to see kung tama yung ball mo, kung tama yung direction.
And the final round, Jeff Chan with 12 points.
Next, let's go in for the Coca-Cola Tigers.
Shaky performance ng Jeff Chan. Di natin alam kung maganda rin yung ititira ng mga kalaban niya. But good enough, at least, para makakreate ng konting kaba kay Mark Macapagal at dito kay Yusef Al-Jamal.
Mark Macapagal shot a very solid 7 lead. Let's see if he can duplicate that. Last rack.
At yung advantage ng Moneyball talaga, Dom, no? 2 points yun eh. So, as I mentioned earlier, kung ma-focus mo yung 5 Moneyball, that's already 10 points.
I'm sure Mark Macapagal also wanting to win today's 3-point shootout because his boss, team manager JB Bailon, is actually here supporting him. Mark Macapagal in the 4th rack, 11 points.
Important 5th rack here for Mark Macapagal to set the tone para kay Yusef Al-Jamal.
Makes one more shot, he's in the lead. 12 points for Macapagal, 13 points for Mark Macapagal.
So with that, officially hindi na pwedeng manalo si Jeff Chan because Macapagal scored 13 points and Yusef Al-Jamal needs to score 14 lang and siya na ang bagong 3-point champion natin.
Or worst case scenario, shoot 13 and go for a tie and force a playoff.
Maganda rin yun. I'm sure our fans here would like to have more of the 3-point shooting contest.
So Jeff Chan at 12, Mark Macapagal with 13, Yusef Al-Jamal 19 in the elimination round.
Actually, Dom, dito kung makompleto mo yung first 2 racks, automatic 12 puntos na agad, no?
Oo, so 2 bola na lang kailangan mo i-shoot. Doon sa 3rd rack, okay ka na.
At mukhang yun yung balak yata ni
Al-Jamal.
except for that miss.
Very important for Al-Jamal is not to get frustrated early on after making those first 3 shots, struggling a bit.
4.
At naka-recover siya with that rack, scoring 6 points already.
7. 8.
10 balls to go for Al-Jamal in 20 seconds.
9.
Gotta make this money ball.
At sumisikip na yung ring, ano? Alam mo, pag may hinahabol kang score.
Let's see. Shooting well in the corner. Oh! Ran out of time. Don't see Yusef Al-Jamal. So the official score,
For Yusef Al-Jamal.
11 points.
11 points for Al-Jamal.
Al-Jamal. And Chicky, all of a sudden you're smiling because our new champion from the Coca-Cola Tigers.
Mahirap talaga yan, yung ginawa ni Yusef. He was trying to catch up with the 13 points. Pero habang nagbibinti siya, as we mentioned, yung ring na yan, nagmumukhang maliit ng maliit every time you miss a shot.
Well, we were talking earlier, Chicky, and Mark Macapagal was one of your choices to win here in the three-point shootout.
Kaninang umaga pa lang, magkasama kami dito. He came here to the court. He was trying to feel the court. He was looking at the rim, studying it. And I guess, sa mga batang nanonood dyan, in any contest that you join, whether it be a three-point contest or an actual basketball game, it really pays off to practice, look at the playing field, try to see if how you will fare later on in the game.
Practice makes perfect for Mark Macapagal. We know that itong mga players natin, very busy schedule here and during All-Star Week, but he took the time out to come to the court, shoot a couple of baskets, warm up, and look what it does. Wins him his first three-point shootout title. Congratulations, Mr. Mark Macapagal, our 2010 PBA All-Star three-point shootout king, PBA Mark Macapagal.
Kagabi nga, sabi niya, fans ba yung makukuha mo o yung corona? Sabi niya, kahit wag na yung crown, fans na lang. But with this crown, I'm sure, marami siyang fans na ngayon.
Let's turn it over to Leah Cruz.
As a first-time winner of the three-point shootout, paano ka nanalo at anong nagpanalo sa inyo?
Well, ano lang, kumbaga, I'm not expecting anything for myself. Kumbaga, this is my first time na sasali sa three-point shootout. Then, andun sila Don, then James. Matagal na sila sumasali. So, sabi ko, if I make it to the finals, andun na sa akin yung achievement ko na yun. Kumbaga, and then I make it to the finals, and then sabi ko, kumbaga, nandito na ako Kumbaga, pag-iigihan ko na.
And on Sunday, maglalaban ka ulit in the Legends Shootout and makakalaban mo si Coach Kenneth Durendes. Ano naman ang sinabi niya sa inyo kanina?
Wala naman kasi sa practice naglalaban kami niya. Lagi niya akong tinatalo. So hopefully by Sunday matalo ko siya.
Alright, good luck with that. Congratulations. Now, when we return, we are gonna have the Slam Dunk Contest. So keep it here on Solar TV.
Fly with it.
Here comes Canaleta. Slam!
This is going to be a slam bang affair.
A rocket throwing it down once again.
Rico Meyer
With the fly gravity.
In the sky. Oh! That's the play of the day.
getting it off to Gabe Norwood with a two-hand slam.
Terry Williams for the jab.
Welcome back to the 2010 PBA All-Star Week here live at Puerto Princesa Coliseum. Dominic Uy with Chicky Reyes. And Chicky, among all the three events today, ito ang pinaka-anticipated, the slam dunk competition.
Nandito lahat ng excitement, Dom, sinasabi nga natin. Of course, na-exciting din yung obstacle tsaka yung three-point shooting. But nandito yung lumilipad na mga player ng PBA.
Well, everybody has been anticipating this event because we have 5 guys challenging each other in this slam dunk competition. But how are they going to do it? Let's check out the mechanics.
Alam mo ito, Dom, sabi nga natin, wala. Freewheeling contest to. You can dunk, you can play. No rules will apply in any yung normal rules ng basketball game. 5 judges to score each dunk. 5 points yung pinakamababa, 10 points yung pinakamataas. They have 60 seconds to execute each dunk. Double round eliminations. Pag nagminti sila, they have 1 redunk option. Now, a missed dunk will earn 5 points automatically. In case of a tie, meron tayong tinatawag na slam off kung saan meron silang 1 dunk each, and then top 2 players advance to the finals at double round naman yung ating final dunk off.
Well, now let's talk about the guys who are dunking it off here in Puerto Princesa. Let's check out our participants. You see guys like Gabe Norwood, who was our defending champion. He won it last year. You also have Kelly Williams.
At ito naman si Kelly Williams. Ito naman yung champion ng 2008. And of course, the 3-time champion, KG Canaleta. But you cannot take away JC Intal, who's also a high flyer from Barangay Ginebra. And Jared Dillinger from Talking Tex. And of course, yung pinakamataas na Rico Meyerhoff.
Well, looking at the top 3 guys who've won already here in the dunk-off, Gabe Norwood, he's our defending champion here. But you also look at Kelly Williams, who also won in 2008. KG Canaleta, 3-time champion. And you see Gabe Norwood and Sol Mercado having a lot of fun doon sa ating slam dunk competition.
Hindi ko maintindihan kung cartwheel yun o nadapa lang itong si Gabe Norwood. No?
Well, yun nga, in 2009, it was Gabe Norwood who scored 91 points in that final round. And KG Canaleta coming in second. And third place was Jared Dillinger. Actually, itong si Jared Dillinger, we just heard, will not be able to participate in today's dunking festivities due to an injury.
At nakita niyo yung scores nila kanina, nagtataka yung mga tao dahil 2 dunks nga kung kaya't very close yung mga